Hello, this is Blackstripe Reporter, staying on the station. And today, when this movie is made, is May 13th, 2013. And as you can see, this is the D-War Day celebration, as you can see here. And all the people here. And yeah, everybody's dancing. Oh, yeah, you are.
Hi.
Get out of the way. Now, anyways, and there's lots of places to dance and other things. In this case, and we're mostly celebrating about let's see here, 4 stuffed animals that tried to go to and from the Death Star, but only one of them made it, and actually it's Greenie, which is right here. Hi! Greenie was the only one that could make it. And also Dr. Bunsen Honeydew was also one of them, as you can see behind on the stage.
Hello there.
And Taco Bell and Easter Birdie were also there, but at the moment I don't see either of them. So and also over here, there is all the rocket things over here.
Oh, yes, I'm sorry.
Right here.
What was it?
And they use that to go to the Death Star. And you can also you can get food here from Moosey Moose over here. And so yeah, it's really awesome here. If it's still the same day, you might want to come pretty quick, because it might end really soon. So but if it's next year and it's really close to this date, then you better get ready. So that's pretty much all I have to say. I'm Blackstripe. Thank you and good night.